Guys, Coach Gaglione here. This is our first video in our addition to Getting Into Gear series. Today we're talking about box squats and specifically Thompson style squats. So we got Nick here as one of our athletes. He's been an accomplished raw lifter. He's competed at the XBC finals and at 148 weight class. He's been trying to put some weight on. He's been accomplished in raw with wraps, and now we're kind of getting him into some single ply equipment. So we're working on the box here, just trying to get him a little bit used to a little bit wider stance so he can kind of stretch that material out, use the suit a little bit more effectively, use that posterior chain a little bit. He's going to be working up in weight, so the chain's going to accommodate resistance. With multi-ply lifting and a single ply lifting, a lot of times you want to get a little used to handling heavier weights at the top. The suit's going to kind of help you out of the bottom. It's going to give you a little spring out of the hole. So it's really important to kind of build that acceleration, build that power. And so using the Thompson style squat, we're going to add chains every set. We started at 4 plates for him, and we added a chain every set. On this final set, we put the straps up. We started the straps down to get him a little bit more pop out of the bottom, a little bit more support. And I think he worked up to 415 and 160 pounds of chain on this day, which was a great, again, his best raw is like just shy of like 500 pounds raw with wraps. So he had 415 and 160 pounds of chain, so it's getting close to 600 at the top. So it's a really good overload and a good session for him. Again, working on that wider stance to kind of stretch, use the suit a little bit more effectively. So this would be a great method to kind of train, just using the suit bottoms and progressively work your way with straps up as you increase the weight. So give this a try if you're working in gear, and let us know what you think. Drop a comment below. If the video helped you, please share it, and we'll see you next time.